Guided Practice Lesson 4. How to make a dishcloth. You will need 1 ounce of worsted weight yarn. I like to use cotton yarn, but today we'll use regular yarn for this demonstration. You will also need a size eye hook, a darning needle, and scissors. With size eye hook and cotton yarn, chain 26. Double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. Double crochet in the remaining 23 stitches. Chain 2 and turn. Rows 2 through 12. Double crochet in each stitch across. Note, you can make this larger or smaller by adding or decreasing the amount of beginning chains. And you can also make more or fewer rows. Once you have finished row 12, you are done. Cut your working yarn and weave in the end. Now that you have mastered the double crochet, go back to the book and try making a double crochet beanie. Remember, if you forget how to increase or decrease, you can always refer back to Demo Lesson 4.